get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction, 'cause I try and I try and I try and I try. I can't get no, I can't get no. When I'm driving in my car and a man comes on the radio and he's telling me more and more about some useless information supposed to drive my imagination, I can't get no. Oh no, no, no. Hey, hey, hey. That's what I say. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction. And I try and I try, 'cause I try and I try. I can't get no, I can't get no. When I'm watching my TV and a man comes on to tell me how wide my shirts can be, but he can't be a man 'cause he doesn't smoke the same cigarettes as me. I can't get no. Oh no, no, no. Hey, hey, hey. That's what I say. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction, 'cause I try and I try and I try and I try. So I can't get no, I can't get no. Okay, hi. Welcome to the second piano lesson of Piano by Chords. This is David here, and nice to see you. Glad that you're back here, and you're probably curious to know what to do next. Now that we know how to move smoothly between the piano chords, as I showed you, between C to F and G7, I hope that you practiced on moving smoothly between the chords while maintaining legato, playing smoothly with the left hand. And now I'm gonna directly show you what to do in order to play the chords of I Can't Get No Satisfaction. Okay, so to begin with, I'm gonna introduce you to the chords of the song, which are based on the three chords we have learned in the previous song. So C and G with the first, third, and fifth finger, F, C, F, and A with the first, third, and fifth fingers, and G7. B, D, F, and G with the first, second, fourth, and fifth finger, and to that we add the bass. So C with the fifth, F with the second, and G7. Remember, when I move from a chord to a chord, I keep the left hand still, it remains on the key until I move to the next one, okay? So I play legato, which means that I play smoothly. Okay, so now we start with 2 bars of C major. So I can't get no moving to F, satisfaction, back to C. I can't get no moving to F, satisfaction. Then, 'cause I try, and then I move to G7, back to C, and then to F. So up until here, okay? So 2 bars of C major, 1, 2, 3, moving to F with the second finger, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and back, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Satisfaction. From C, I go to G7th, B, D with the second finger, F with the fourth, and G with the fifth. Back to C, and then to F. I can't get no. So here we play C for count, moving to F, but this time instead of playing A with the right hand, I will start playing 2 counts of the same chord, C, F, and B flat at first. 1, 2, and then I will solve it to A. And then again, I can get no. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you may ask me, dude, what is this chord? We haven't learned it yet. And I say, you're right, but that doesn't mean that we cannot explore new chords. So it's a sort of F with a B flat. That's what you should know now. It is called suspension chords, and we will explore that much later on our piano course. But for now, it's enough that you know it, because we want to have fun with I can get no satisfaction. Okay? So starting from I can't get no 3, 4, the strange F chord, moving to the normal F chord. I can get no. And then we move to when I'm driving in my car. So we're basically at the verse right now, but we still remain with the same chord progression. When I'm driving in my car, and a man comes on the radio and is telling me more and more about some useless information supposed to drive my imagination. I can't get no. Still the same chord progression. No, no, no. We stay with the C chord. 1, 2, hey, 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 and the same chord progression again. That's what I say. 2, 3, 4. And then we start again with another chorus. So 1, I can get no satisfaction. So I find no use in showing the second chorus and verse because it's the same, and so is it with the third. What I suggest right now is that you take your time working on passing between the chords smoothly while maintaining legato, playing smoothly with the left hand. Okay, and then once you have a hold on that, we will continue with our next piano lesson, where I will show you how to add a groove, a rhythmic pattern between the right hand and the left hand, which you implement on each and every bar of the song, and it gives the song real life. It will be a hit. So I'll see you in the next piano lesson so far, and just work really seriously on playing the chords smoothly and correctly, and I promise it will be worth it. Okay, so we've learned how to form the chord progressions of I Can't Get No Satisfaction, and in the next piano lesson, what I'm gonna do is show you how to form the groove, a rhythmic pattern that will show you, that is combined by movements of the right hand and the left hand, and you're gonna take this pattern and implement it on each and every bar of the song. But promise me this, okay? Take your time on really learning the chord progression of I Can't Get No Satisfaction, maintaining legato with the left hand, and also that you count the rhythm of the song, that you're making sure that you have 4 counts per bar, okay? And in the next piano lesson, I'm gonna really show you how to play groove, and we've got lots of groove waiting ahead of us. We've got reggae, and we've got soul, and we've got blues, and we've got pop and rock. So there's a lot to catch up, but I'm saving my surprises for the next piano lesson.